What is up, Ma'am Jovi? Ako nga pala si John Padilla and ito po ang aking final output sa MMW kung saan pinapakita kung paano namin na-relate and na-appreciate ang mga topic na tinuro nyo. For now, aalis muna po ako at sana po mag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. Google Maps leverage graph theory to model and solve complex routing problems in real time. By representing the road network as a graph, applying efficient pathfinding algorithms, and dynamically adjusting to real-time data, Google Maps provide accurate and optimized navigation solutions. This a powerful application of graph theory ensures users receive the best possible routes and travel experience. I can relate that linear programming is used in the transportation industry because it optimizes various aspects such as route scheduling, such as the jeepney and the bus having their own schedule, and resource allocation. By formulating transportation problems as linear programming models, organizations can minimize costs, improve efficiency, and enhance service levels. We can relate and appreciate data management in our education because the schools and universities use student information systems to manage student data, including enrollment, grades, attendance, and disciplinary record. Educators use data management to analyze student performance and engagement data, helping to identify at-risk students and personalize learning experience.